Very good morning, my dear students. Before class, we have discussed about the integration by parts. I explained means last two classes. Already I explained the bit how to do the integration by parts. Okay. Which one is the first function? Which one is the second function? Already each and every one I explained. Now, today class we are going to some special type functions. What is that one? Integral of. Find the integral of, okay, root over x square or a square minus x square, this type, a square minus x square dx, integral of root over x square plus a square dx, means that is a square plus. Before already we learned 1 by root of, you know that with the formulas, integral of 1 by root over 1 by root over a square minus x square. What is the formula of this one? We know, I think. Integral of 1 by root over a square minus x square dx is equal. This is the formula of sin inverse of x by a plus c. But here it is in the numerator. Before it is root over a square minus x square in the denominator. Okay, my dear students, hope that you understood or not? Yes. Integral of 1 by root over a square plus x square or x square plus a square. What is the formula? Log of x plus root over x square plus a square dx. Whatever may be, no problem. Sorry, plus c, not dx. Now 1 by root over x square minus a square dx. My dear students, log mod x plus same x plus root over x square minus a square plus c. You remember these formulas. Okay, already explained yesterday. Whenever this type, next third one also root over x square minus a square. Already whenever you get means this type, these are the special functions, 100%. You know very well. First we will take this one. Next third one. This is first one, second one, third one. Okay. Third one is root. What is the third one? Root over x square minus a square dx. Okay, my dear students, I will be explain one. Okay, after that I will write the formulas. Now first one, for suppose I will take this one, I will take this one. Okay, root over x square minus a square. No problem at all, any one. Okay, otherwise this one I will take. Okay, I is equal to integral of root over x square plus a square dx. Here this is f of x, 100%. You will take the second function g of x is equal to 1. Otherwise it is very, very complicated. Okay. Now let f of x is equal to root over x square plus a square. Root over x square plus a square. Now g of x is equal to 1. Now f of x derivative, g of x integration. What is the derivative of this one? F dash of x is equal to root x 1 by 2 root of x, means x square plus a square. Again internal function, x square derivative is 2x, a square derivative is 0. 2 cancel. That equal x by root over x square plus a square. We know the integration of this one. I think you know very well. Integral of g of x dx, that equal to x plus c. You know the formula, integral of f of x into g of x. What is the formula of integral f of x into g of x? Okay, remember or not? Integral f of x into g of x is equal to f of x, that is equal to f of x into, what is f of x? Root over x square plus a square. This is I, my dear students. This is equation number 1. Okay, integral of f of x into g of x is equal to f of x into integral of g of x, means x minus f dash of x. F dash of x means x by root over x square plus a square into integral of g of x, means x dx, by using the formula. Okay, here x into root over x square plus a square minus, here observe that x into x square, x square by root over x square plus a square dx. Actually Now actually it is improper fraction and root is there. F dash of x by f of x not possible. Possible? Nothing. Actually x square plus a square means x is equal to what happened? 1 plus tan square theta. For suppose x is equal to a tan theta you write, no problem, but it is critical. Here x square plus a square, here also you write the x square plus a square. Means 1 a square adding, 1 a square subtracting. After that division possible. Separation. Okay, we will get the answer 100%. Okay. Now here adding a square and subtracting a square in this one. This is over. Now I is equal to continuation x into root over x square plus a square minus integral of x square plus a square minus a square by root over x square plus a square dx. That equal x into root over x square plus a square minus separation. This one by this one minus this one by this one. Okay, my dear students. Now I is equal to this one. What happened? For suppose those are same, a by root a. A by root a means root a in root a. This will be write as root a into root a. One root cancel remaining. This is for suppose a means write as a means root a into root a. Root a cancel. What are the remaining terms? Root over x square plus a square. Okay. Here in front of minus is there, my dear students. Observe that. Here in front of minus is there. Into dx. Okay. This minus into minus plus. Okay. A square is the constant by 1 by root over x square plus a square dx. Now what about this? This value, observe that this value. Root over x square plus a square dx. Root over x square plus this. That is equal to 100% I. Okay, this is I is equal to x into root over x square plus a square minus I plus a square into, what is the formula of this one? 1 by root over x square plus a square. What is the formula 1 by root over x square plus a square? Log of x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. This is minus I this side, that is equal to plus I. Okay, my dear students. Minus I this side plus I plus I 2I. Okay, I plus I 2I. 2I is equal to x into root over x square plus a square plus a square log of x plus root over x square plus a square dx. Sorry, plus c. Okay. Now I want only I value. I is equal to that side. Okay. X by 2 into by 2 into, or totally 1 by 2 you will write. Okay, no problem at all. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into x plus root over x square plus a square log of x plus root over x square plus a square plus c by 2 means c constant. What is I? I is equal to root over integral of root over x square plus a square dx. Okay, my dear students. Root over x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2 into x into root over x square plus a square into log of x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. Okay, my dear students, this is the formula for root over x square plus a square. Remember this one formula. Okay, similarly root over x square minus a square. What happened? Tell me. Same in the process we will do. Okay, 1 by 2 x into root over x square minus a square. 100% here last one 1 by root over x square minus a square. This one form. Okay, here minus a square log of x plus root over x square minus a square plus. Okay, next integral root over a square minus x square dx. that equal 1 by 2 into root over x into root over a square minus x square plus a square into 1 by root over a square minus x square, that is sin inverse of x by a. Okay, my dear students, you remember these formulas. What are the formulas is going on? Carefully listen. These are the three formulas. Okay, what is the formula of this one? Root over x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2. Observe that very simply we will identify. Here x square plus a square means all x into root over x square. Here same. Here after that what is the formula? A square common, a square common. After that you remember that 1 by root over x square plus a square formula. 1 by root over x square, that is log. Same x into this one. Here minus is there. X square minus a square minus a square. What is the 1 by root over x square minus a square formula? Here root of a square minus x square formula, 1 by root of means sin inverse of x by a. Simply we identify. Okay, we will do some problems on this one. Okay. Okay, my dear students, first once we see the formulas, root over x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2 into, okay, you know very well I think. Now first we will do this problem, integral root over 4 minus x square. Okay, that I is equal to 1, I is equal to integral of root over 4 minus x square dx. Sum or difference of the perfect squares, 4 right at 2 square. Okay, integral root over 2 square minus x square dx. What is the formula? A square minus x square. Where is the formula? A square minus x square. Root over a square minus x square formula. 1 by 2 into, okay, 1 by 2 into x. Here x means 100% x. X root over a square minus x square. A square minus x square. What is a square minus x square? 2 square minus x square plus a square. A square means 2 square. Sin inverse of x by a. X by a. X by a means 2 plus c. It's over. That is equal to 1 by 2 into x into root over 4 minus x square plus 4 into sin inverse of x by 2 plus c. Okay. In this way we will complete the problems. Okay, my dear students. First mainly you learn the formula. Okay. Next we are going to the second one. 1 minus integral of root over 1 minus 4x square dx. Okay. Integral of 1 square minus 2x whole square. Again a square minus x square formula. No problem at all. Same formula. 1 by 2 into x. Here x means 2x into root over a square 1 minus 4x square plus a square 1 sin inverse of 2x whole divided by 100%. Here 2x derivative is 2 plus c. 1 by 2 into 2 means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 2x into root over 1 minus 4x square plus sin inverse of x by a means 2x by 1. No need of that one. Okay, my dear students, that is the answer. In this way we will complete the problems. Next we are going to the next problem. What is the next problem? Here third one, I is equal to integral of root over x square plus 4x plus 6 dx. Already I explained, whenever the quadratic expression is there, ax square plus bx plus c, that can be expressed as the sum or difference of the squares of the perfect squares of the two numbers. Now we will take this one, x square plus 4x plus 6. What is the rule? First the coefficient of x square always equal to 1. Yes, 1. After that you write the x code 4x. After that what is the step? What is the coefficient of x? 4. Half of the coefficient of x. Half of the coefficient of x. 4 by 2 means 2. Plus 2 square minus 2 square plus 6. Now first three terms, x plus 2 whole square plus this is minus 2 square means minus 4 plus 6 means plus 2. Plus 2 plus 2 write as root 2 whole square. Okay, understood or not? Now substitute, that is equal root over x plus 2 whole square plus root 2 whole square dx. Now what is the formula? X square plus a square. Root over x square plus a square formula 1 by 2 into x. Instead of x, what is there? X plus 2 into root over x square plus a square, means same, this one total. Calculation of this one 100% this one. Okay, write down this one. X square plus 4x plus 6 plus a square. A means root 2 whole square means 2. What is that? Log of x. X means x plus 2 plus root over x square plus a square. This one. Root over x square plus a square, nothing but this one. X square plus 4x plus 6 plus, this is the answer. Okay, in this way we will complete the problems. I hope that you understood or not? Yes. Okay. Next we are going to the next model. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next one, that is those are these called miscellaneous methods. Okay, other than the means textbook. Okay, miscellaneous problems. We will calculate the miscellaneous problems also by using these one steps. Before before this type of questions asked in the CBSE examination point of view. That's why I am telling you this one. Next 2-3 methods are there. I will explain each and every one. Here integrals of the form. Observe that which type is there. 1 by a square sin square x plus a square sin square x plus 1 by a sin square x plus b cos square x. Okay, my dear students, a sin square x plus b cos square x plus 1 by a plus b sin square x, 1 by a plus b cos square x, 1 by a cos x plus b sin x whole square. Whenever this type of questions asking in the examination point of view, observe that how to do the problems. In this one, whenever this type of questions asking in the examination point of view, first the numerator and denominator, what is the working rule? First step, the NR and DR, numerator and denominator multiplying, the numerator and denominator is multiplying with secant square x. This is the first step. Whenever this type of questions occurs, first the numerator and denominator is multiplying with secant square x. After that, replace secant square x, if anyone in the denominator, that will be right as in the denominator, not numerator. In the denominator replace secant square x as 1 plus tan square x. Okay, my dear students, replace secant square x. If replace secant square x, that is secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x in denominator only. In denominator. After that, put tan x is equal to t. That implies secant square dx is equal to dt. Those values substitute in the given equation, that will be converted into before any one of the previous methods. Okay, my dear students. Now first we are going to the first problem. What happened? You see once this process is right or wrong. Okay, first we will take I is equal, very important question, integral of 1 by, what happened that one? A sin square x plus b cos square x dx. Now the NR and DR multiplying with secant square x. The numerator and denominator is multiplying with secant square x, or 1 by cos square. Divide, multiplying means divide with the cos square x. 1 by cos square means again secant, no problem at all. That is secant square x numerator by denominator is multiplying secant square x, means sin square x into secant square x, cos square x into secant square. Cos and secant are the reciprocals. Reciprocal means product is 1. What happened? Multiplying with secant square x into a sin square x plus b cos square x dx. Okay, my dear students. Observe that here secant square x into sin square x. Secant square means 1 by cos square. Sin square by cos square means tan square, 100%. Okay. Now secant square x into cos square x is 1. Secant and cos are the reciprocals. Otherwise secant square means 1 by cos square cancel. What happened next step? That is called secant square x by a tan square x plus b, that is dx. Okay, my dear friends, a tan square x plus b. Have any doubt? No doubt. I hope that. Okay. Secant square x by a tan square x plus b. After that, completed. In any one denominator, if replace in the denominator secant square x, no. Okay. Now directly tan x is equal to t. Substitute tan x is equal to t. What happened? Now tan x is equal to t. Means secant square x dx is equal to dt. Substitute. Here numerator secant square x dx means dt. I is equal to dt by, what about this? A t square plus b. A t square plus b. What is the formula? 1 by x square plus a square. Okay, my dear students. 1 by x square plus a square. That equal to dt by, means perfect square. This is right as root a t whole square plus root b whole square. No problem at all. Okay. 1 by x square plus a square. What is the formula of 1 by x square plus a square? 1 by x square plus a square formula 1 by a, 1 by a, 1 by root b, 1 by a, tan inverse of x by a. What is x? Root a into t by root b by root a. Why by root a? Root a t derivative is root a. Root b into root a means 1 by root a b. What is the formula? Tan inverse of root a by root b into t. T means tan x plus c. For suppose here, for suppose the question is a square sin square x plus b square cos square x. What happened? What is the answer? Same process. A square sin square x plus b square cos square x. Here square means ab, here a by b. Okay, my dear friends. I hope that understood or not. This type we will do the problems. For suppose next question, integral of 1 by a square sin square x plus b square cos square. No problem at all. Constant. What is the answer of this one? 1 by ab, tan inverse of a by b tan x plus c. Okay. In the objective point of view, for suppose what I am telling you, objective point of view, a sin square, for suppose find the integral 1 by 3 sin square x plus 2 cos square x dx. Here 1 by a sin square x plus b cos square x. Here what is the formula? 1 by root ab, 1 by root ab, 3 2s are 6, tan inverse of root a by root b means root 2 by root 3, root of 2 by 3 tan x plus c. In this way we will complete the problems. Okay. One more problem I will explain on this method. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next problem. First one, what is the first one? Sin x by sin 3x. Actually, integral of sin x by sin 3x or sin x by sin 4x, whatever may be, we will do compulsory in this type only. What happened? This one, observe that I is equal to integral of sin x by sin 3x. First general formula we will write, sin 3a formula, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, that is equal to sin x by sin 3x formula, 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x dx. Okay, my dear students. Now sin x taken common, cancel. Integral of 1 by, here sin x taken common, sin x cancel. 3 minus 4 sin square x. 100% how to change here? 1 by a plus b sin square x. Now the numerator denominator multiplying with 100% secant square x. The nr and er multiplying with secant square x. Okay, my dear students. That is equal to secant square x by 3 into secant square x minus multiply 4 into sin square into secant square x. secant square means 1 by cos square, that is tan square x. Now denominator secant square x is there, you write the 1 plus tan square x. Now that is equal to integral of secant square x by 3 into 1 plus tan square x minus 4 tan square x dx. Okay, my dear students, that is equal to integral of secant square x by 3 plus 3 tan square x minus 4 tan square x dx. Now secant square x by 3 minus tan square x. Okay. Now next step, tan x is equal to t. Let secant square x dx is equal to how much? Dt. Substitute I is equal to dt by, I hope that you understood or not? Yeah. 3 write as root 3 whole square minus this is t square 1 by a square minus x square. 1 by a square minus x square formula 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. 1 by 2a log of a plus x root 3 plus 2 by root 3 minus t plus c. T value how much? Tan x we will write. Okay, my dear students. Next problem, we are going to the next problem. What is the next problem? 2 sin x plus 1 by 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. This is also in this way same here 1 by a cos x plus b sin x whole square, my dear students. Now second one, I is equal to integral of 1 by 2 sin x plus 3 cos x whole square dx. Okay, my dear students. Next, that is equal to the NR and the numerator and denominator must and should multiplying with secant square x. The numerator and the denominator is multiplying with secant square x. Now what happened? That equal to secant square x by, here whole square is there, here write the secant square x means a square b square, a b whole square. Now multiplying with this one, okay, observe that, write as secant x into 2 sin x plus 3 cos x whole square. Say yes or no? Here 100% secant square x. Okay. Now multiply 2 sin x into secant x means 2 tan x plus 3 secant x into cos x is 1. Now secant square x by 2 tan x plus 3 whole square dx. Now tan x is equal to, let's now secant square x dx is equal to dt. Substitute, this is dt by integral of dt by 2t plus 3 whole square. Okay, my dear students, that is 1 by x square. Integral of 1 by x square means integral of 1 by x square minus 1 by x means 2t plus 3 by derivative of this one, 2t plus 3 derivative into 2, that equal to minus 1 by 2 into 2 tan x plus 3 plus c. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will complete the problems. Next we are going to next one. What is the problem? Next problem. Okay, I is equal to integral of 1 by 3 plus sin 2x dx. Okay, my dear students, sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x, 3 write as 3 into sin square x plus cos square x, 3 into 1. Okay, now integral of 1 by 3 into 1, 3 into 1 means write as sin square x plus cos square x plus sin 2x formula 2 sin x cos x. Now 1 by a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, no problem, a sin x into b sin x, a sin x into cos x. Now 100% numerator denominator multiplying with secant square x. The NR and dr multiplying with secant square x. What happened? Directly tell me. Secant square x by, here multiplying secant square x means this is tan square x, this is 1. 3 tan square x plus 3 into secant square x into sin square x, 3 tan square x cos square x into secant square x, 3 plus by cos cancel means 2 tan x means dx. Okay, my dear students, means 1 by cos square x, sin square by cos square, tan square, cos square cancel, sin by cos square means cos cancel, sin by cos means tan x. Now tan x is equal to t. Now secant square x dx is equal to dt. What happened? Numerator must and should dt by this is 3t square plus 2t plus 3. Denominator is 100%. What is that denominator? Ax square plus bx plus c type. That can be expressed perfect square, sum or difference of the perfect square of the two numbers. Now 3t square plus 2t plus 3 is equal. Now always the quotient of t square always 1, means taken common 3. Okay, 3t square plus 2t plus 3. What happened? 2t square plus 2 by 3t plus 1. Now next step, t coefficient is 2 by 3 of 1 by 3, that equal 3 into t square plus 2 by 3t plus 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 3 whole square plus 1. Okay, my dear students, 3 into, how to write this is 2 plus t plus 1 by 3 whole square, t plus 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 9 plus 1, minus 1 plus 9 means 8 plus 8 by 3 plus 8 by 3 minus 1 by 9 plus 1 plus 8 by 3, 8 by 3, how to write? 2 root 2 whole square by 3. Okay, 9 is there. Okay, now substitute I is equal to integral of dt by 3 common means 1 by 3. What happened this one? T plus 1 by 3 whole square plus 2 root 2 by 3 whole square. Now 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by x square plus a square formula, 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. 1 by 3 into 1 by a. 1 by a value 2 root 2 by 3 tan inverse of x by a. T plus 1 by 3 by 2 root 2 by 3 plus c. After that take the LCM, 3 cancel. Here 3 cancel. What happened? 1 by 2 root 2 tan inverse of 3t plus 1 by 2 root 2 plus c. T means you will write the tan x. Okay, my dear students. In this way